Hey guys, welcome to the Christopher Whale Kings here. Take a look at it today. It's arrived here. It's a toy company called Larami. The sea creatures named called AQUATIC Turtle. May we find out inside. Let's open packaging begins. Okay, open the lid, then, and nothing about there, and there's a plastic bag, a shopping bag. Inside it, wait till see it. This hand, may find out where is it. It's mother. Oh God, it's Larami 1990s Sea Turtle. The 1990s. Maybe find out the name includes Leatherback Sea Turtle, Hawkbill Sea Turtle, and Green Sea Turtle, and other aquatic turtles and other reptilians. Down the turtles from a true scales museum collection by Larami Corp. Larami Turtle is a type in the name. Types in the old toy company includes Larami. Larami was a toy company founded 1947. Defunct in 2002. In 2002, Larami Toy Company is now defunct. It's gone away now. And also, upon the eBay, if you want to, or a wolf point on it, upon buy some from Larami Sea Turtle, you buy it, you get it on eBay, or wolf point. Upon it, got £1,000. Upon the pounds on it from British eBay, upon buy some turtles, on get it, or American eBay, you make dollars. And American eBay and British eBay, it's your choice of American eBay dollars. It's your choice of American and British eBay. It's your choice with a British eBay and American eBay. It's your choice. Tomorrow, review a Safari Limited Wild Safari 2014 Bowhead Whale. See you soon. Goodbye.